any fun with me.
Hey, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be starting where we left off in the last video, and it's going to be reinforcing the chassis some more. So I just cleaned everything out of here, vacuumed up all the dust and whatnot. So today I think I'm going to start in this area here and work my way around this. I'm probably just going to take a flat disc. I can see the spot welds on this, which are right here and here, and just grind down until they pop, because I've never had any luck drilling through. I don't need this jack thing in here anymore, so I'm going to get that out. Also, I may reinforce this upright bar, this piece here. Have to look and see where it falls, because I really don't want to get anything in the way of the tail lights or anything like that. But definitely the spare tire well is going to get done today, so let's get started. So I already got the bracket out. I actually just took a pry bar, went behind it, pried it a little bit, gave it a little room, and just rocked it back and forth until it popped off. So I decided I'm going to start on this upright brace here first. So I'm going to take a wire wheel, clean all the seam sealer down to here on both sides, and then mark the OEM spot weld so I know where those are on both sides. So I'm going to do that real quick and I'll check back in with you. So I forgot to show you, I did go down, mark all the factory spot welds, and then the little dashes are where I'm going to put the rivets. They're inch apart. Already did the one side. Straight down. I stopped where it triples up. I'm probably going to put one in here and here, and then I'm waiting to do the bottom because I'm going to do the line all the way across. I'm going to get this section done first. So I'm going to drill these out, pop the rivets in, vacuum up all this dust, and then I'll start cleaning off the seam sealer on this and this. And at least, hopefully today, I'll get up to the rear trunk brace mounts. Alright, so this side's done here. Right here where the plug that goes to the license plate harness, it was sitting in this hole. On the back side, right here, I had to bang it in some so the rivet could catch both sides, but that's what that's looking like. I threw some spray paint on there just so it don't rust. So right now I'm just waiting for that to dry so I can lean over the car and then clean up this section here with the wire wheel on the inside, and then I'll mark my holes and then drill them and then rivet them, and then pretty much this back section will be done until I come over here. But I'm not too sure how I'm gonna do this side here yet, but a little bit at a time and I'll eventually get done. Alright, so I have all the spot welds and all my drill marks lined out. Got all the seam sealer off here. So I got everything all finished up. Threw some gray spray paint on there. Installed the Type R bar. Also sprayed in here gray so it doesn't rust since there's no seam seal or anything. Goes up the center. I wanted to install rivets up on this part of it, but it's going to interfere with the locking mechanism. So also want to get around and do this area up in here. and then like this section here, and follow it around here, and then also do up the frame rail underneath. But using a manual rivet gun is really hard, considering they're stainless steel over aluminum, because I didn't want to use dissimilar metals. So I think I'm going to invest in a Harbor Freight compressor and a pneumatic rivet gun. That way it goes by a lot quicker, because drilling the holes isn't a problem at all. Measuring everything, getting the seam sealer off, that's all easy. But using this manual rivet gun right here takes a lot of effort. So I think I'm going to hold off for a little while on doing this until I pick that up, because I really want to get around the shock towers and all that, and just clean up all this and probably get it painted inside one solid color. But that's going to be it for this episode. I know it's pretty much the same as the first one I did, but I'm not going to be able to knock all these rivets out in one day. It's going to take a while, but I'm going to work on something else while I'm getting the funds up for the compressor. So until next time, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.